Today we are going on a trip. No engines, no traffic jams, no noise. Just a quiet glide into the heart of the rewilded lands. It's hard to believe people once spent hours behind a steering wheel just to see a tree. Our transport doesn't cut through nature, it flows with it. Magnetic paths are hidden under the grass, powered entirely by the sun. The journey is no longer a waste of time. It's the beginning of the experience. Can you feel the stillness? We arrived at the Great Restoration Zone. 100 years ago, this was a wasteland. Now it's a living cathedral. Even the air tastes different here. We don't need heavy guidebooks anymore. With a simple glance, the forest reveals its story. Look at this ancient fern. The air whispers its name, its age, and how it breathes. Technology has become our second sight. Knowledge is no longer trapped in devices. It floats among the trees. Our assistants help us understand the fragile language of the soil, teaching us how to protect this balance without ever touching a leaf. We've learned to listen again, not with our ears, but with our senses, amplified by invisible networks. We can see the pulse of the forest. Feeling the connection between every root and every drop of dew. We used to think progress meant building bigger and faster. But in 2100, we know better. Real progress is the ability to walk into the woods and hear nothing but the wind. What does your ideal escape look like? Tell me in the comments. Let's build this future together. I'm Nature Node 2100, and I'll see you in our quiet tomorrow.